All right, so this is the fourth and final video that we're going to do with good old Black Betty here. And yeah, like I said in the handoff video, I usually don't get too emotionally attached to my pieces of equipment, but I'm going to miss this one. But it's been a great trailer. We could not have done the things that we have done without it. Just moving the bags, like what we're going to do is load the 4 firewood bags back here and take them down to Dom at B3Q. And we pull right in along the fence, use the loader and our little dangle chains and just drop the bags right over top of his fence. It's all in a line for him and the big smokers, and hickory on one end, cherry on the other. There's no mix up, there's no stacking of firewood, there's no extra equipment needed. It's just this trailer, that grapple, and just swinging bags. So we'll get another one, not sure what we'll do. Might play around with a different manufacturer, trying to get the trailers built here in the US to get around all that tariff stuff. Loaders, nobody's really making one here in the US. It's still coming in from overseas, whether it's something from Finland or something out of Canada. So we're trying to get that whole piece figured out, but not sure where we're going to end up, but that's where we're heading. Grab the telehandler here. We'll throw the bags on the trailer. I'll show you how we've been chaining them down. And I like to stack pieces laterally up and over the bag, so when you throw the strap, it kind of helps spread out the tension on the strap to hold the bag. And knock on something hard like my head, we haven't lost anything yet. So let's get to it, and we'll get down to Dom's, get these off before it gets dark, and we'll just keep on plugging away. Over the years, I've learned that if I can squish them together, it's more friction going down the road where they kind of tend to stay a little bit closer together. So now I'm going to jump up there, I'll stack everything out the way that I want it, move the camera, and show you just what I'm talking about. All right, so I've been doing it this way for a while. So if you actually stack the pieces up and over the bag, it keeps the strap from like falling down in between like individual pieces and getting looser as it goes down the road, or I should say as it would loosen going down the road. So we just do that over each individual bag. And like I said, like if I would throw a strap across here, it would kind of wiggle its way down in between all of the pieces. But this way, I can keep everything nice and tight going up and over, and it gives the bag a better squeeze just by giving it that single row to go up and over. It's the silly things that we figure out along the way like this, because I used to drive down and get there, you know, like halfway and have to get out and tighten the straps down, and then go a little further and tighten the straps down. I'm watching the mirrors and you see a bag, you know, starting to lean off the deck, and it's like, oh no, never lost one. But I can't say that I haven't repositioned some with the loader en route, but I've been doing it this way for about 3 years now, and it really seems to work and get a good squeeze on the bags for transport. So Dom has a little Halloween display going on here. Eat the Meat, B3QSmokehouse.com is the restaurant. So these are the 2 big smokers that he feeds. One does just poultry, the other one does just beef. So we have 2 spots right here for the hickory, and then we have 2 spots here for the cherry, and that way whatever he's doing just goes from the bag right to the smoker. And these things are gargantuan. Alrighty, we'll pull some straps. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. So we just pulled in, and I did not stop anywhere on the way. And like I said, it works. right, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. 4 bags delivered and set into place. This one was a little tight getting in there, and so was this. The second bag, well, of each, was a little snug getting it into where it had to go, but we got her done. Got the pallets all strapped back down again. And those are the short little dangle chains that I use for hooking the loader to the firewood bags. And like you saw there, that last bag coming off, just the way the geometry is on the trailer, I had to move the chains up a little bit. And then that last piece had to swing backwards, and then I could go up and out. But yeah, Dom always has about 2 cords here when he's full up on firewood. So a cord of hickory, a cord of cherry, going into the big smokers. All right, so I got the phone call that dinner is ready. So I'm gonna head on back to the house and eat dinner with the family. So if we could earn your business with the sales quote, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And then the log lift bags are over on the website, along with all of the other pieces of equipment that we sell, and that's just shaverequipment.com. So that's the log lift, the power lift, 6-cord, and the barrel bags are all available online for easy purchasing and shipping right to your door. So visit the website there, shaverequipment.com. But we'd love to earn your business with that sales quote. And remember, give me a phone call here. We've got some special finance rates going on for all of the different pieces of equipment that we sell. Happy to talk to you about that and get you plugged in there. So remember, we're always working hard to be lazy, and do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.